In the heart of the world's largest rainforest lies a city that feels like a paradox. Urban life surrounded by endless wilderness. Welcome to Manaus, the beating heart of the Amazon rainforest. This is not just a destination, it's an entry point into one of Earth's last great frontiers. Imagine descending from the sky, clouds parting to reveal an ocean of green stretching beyond the horizon. No roads, no boundaries, just forest. And then suddenly, a city emerges, modern buildings rising from the jungle like a hidden civilization. Manaus stands at the confluence of nature and humanity. It is surrounded by dense rainforest on all sides, with the mighty Amazon River flowing nearby like a lifeline through the wilderness. But Manaus is more than a geographic wonder. It's a story of rubber booms, colonial ambition, indigenous heritage, and modern survival. In the late 19th century, Manaus became one of the richest cities in the world during the rubber boom. Wealth flowed in from global demand, and the city transformed almost overnight. The most iconic symbol of that era is the stunning Amazon Theater, Teatro Amazonas. Built in 1896, it stands as a European-style opera house in the middle of the jungle, an architectural masterpiece featuring Italian marble, French glass, and a dome decorated with the Brazilian flag. Inside, echoes of opera performances still linger, reminding visitors of a time when Manaus rivaled Paris in luxury. Just outside the city lies one of the Amazon's most mesmerizing sights, the meeting of waters. Here, the dark Rio Negro and the sandy-colored Solimões River flow side by side without mixing for several kilometers. The reason? Differences in temperature, speed, and density. It looks like two rivers sharing the same path, yet refusing to merge. A visual metaphor for the Amazon itself, complex, mysterious, and deeply layered. Manaus is not the destination, it's the gateway. From here, travelers venture deep into the rainforest through river boats, speedboats, jungle lodges, guided expeditions. Most tours begin with a journey along the Rio Negro, gradually leaving the city behind. Buildings fade, signals disappear, the jungle takes over. If you're planning to explore the Amazon, Manaus is the easiest and most practical starting point. Step 1. Reach Manaus. Fly into Eduardo Gomes International Airport. Direct or connecting flights from Sao Paulo or Rio de Janeiro. Step 2. Stay in Manaus 1 to 2 days. Use this time to visit the Amazon Theater. Explore local markets. Prepare for jungle conditions. Step 3. Choose your Amazon experience. Jungle lodges. Stay deep in the forest for 2 to 5 days. Popular options include eco-lodges along tributaries of the Amazon River. Activities include canoe trips, wildlife spotting, night jungle walks, fishing, including piranhas, river cruises, multi-day cruises along the Amazon River, comfortable cabins, guided excursions, ideal for filming and documentaries. Survival tours. For adventure seekers, learn jungle survival skills. Stay in hammocks. Navigate with local guides. The Amazon is home to 10% of the world's known species. From Manaus, you can encounter pink river dolphins, sloths hanging silently from trees, macaws and toucans painting the sky with color, monkeys swinging through the canopy, caimans lurking in dark waters. Every sound in the jungle tells a story: chirps, rustles, distant howls. It's not quiet, it's alive. The Amazon doesn't follow a normal clock. It breathes. Rainstorms arrive suddenly, transforming trails into rivers. Humidity wraps around you like a second skin. Sunlight filters through leaves in golden beams. There are two main seasons: wet season, flooded forests, boat exploration; dry season, more walking trails, easier wildlife spotting. Both offer completely different experiences. The Amazon has captured global attention through documentaries and cinematic storytelling, including productions on Amazon Prime Video. Shows and documentaries about the Amazon highlight biodiversity, climate change impact, indigenous communities, hidden dangers, and beauty. For filmmakers and YouTube creators, Manaus is a dream location. 4K drone shots over endless jungle, cinematic river sequences, wildlife storytelling opportunities. This is why the Amazon remains one of the most filmed natural environments in the world. Beyond nature, the Amazon is home to ancient cultures that have lived here for thousands of years. Near Manaus, you can visit indigenous communities where traditional dances are performed, handmade crafts are sold, knowledge of medicinal plants is shared. These communities are not attractions, they are living cultures. Respect and responsible tourism are essential. Manaus offers a unique culinary experience. Takaka, a traditional Amazonian soup pirarucu fish, known as the cod of the Amazon. Tropical fruits like acai, cupuaçu, and guaraná. Markets like the municipal market are vibrant, colorful, and full of life. This isn't a typical tourist destination. The Amazon demands respect. Heat and humidity can be intense. Insects are everywhere. Navigation without guides is dangerous. But that's also what makes it unforgettable. Manaus is not just a city, it's a front line. The Amazon plays a crucial role in global oxygen production, climate regulation, biodiversity preservation. Visiting Manaus isn't just travel, it's witnessing one of Earth's most vital ecosystems. As the sun sets over the river, the jungle transforms. The sky burns orange, reflections shimmer across the water, and distant sounds grow louder. The forest awakens in a different way. Manaus fades behind you. Ahead lies the Amazon, vast, mysterious, and alive. And once you enter it, you don't just explore the jungle, you become part of its story.